So we're home and let's see. Okay, so now we're back home and we've made it, y'all. Let's restock all this stuff and let's see what we got. I got some good stuff, and like I said, how much do y'all think that I spent? Let's go ahead and elaborate more on that. I spent $900. I spent $270 at Captain White's and I spent the rest at Sam's Club. But it was so needed. This is one of those grocery stores where I knew, like, I need every cupboard, every inch of the refrigerator and freezer to be stocked completely up. So that's exactly what we did. So come on and see how stocked this is going to get. And what I did this time was, since I'm such a seafood head, I decided to stock up on seafood to see would that save me more money eating in-house, or does it not matter? Am I going to eat it all in one setting? But I don't think so. We got flounder, crab legs, Dungeness crab legs, shrimp, crab meat. Okay, let's get to the chicken. When I tell you I got every cut of a chicken that I could get, we got the leg, the thigh, the drumstick, the breast. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't get the breast, but I normally get the breast. I'm sticking to staying away from the breast because lately the breast has been like dry. I haven't really been finding good recipes that's making it juicy, so we're gonna leave that breast where it's at. Okay, and just like that, we're all done. If you stayed this long, guys, I truly appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for me to spend $900, I will tell you that I am surely satisfied.